Good morning, everyone. We are here in
Shelburne, New Hampshire.
New Hampshire, and look at this. We got a cabin for ourselves. I don't recommend you to have this cabin. Pretty suck comparing to the cabin that we stayed in
Utah,
whatever you want to call it. But today, since the whole day it's about nothing but raining, so I was planning to cook, but we're gonna go get some breakfast outside. So we're gonna take you guys with us. Alright, so Andrea is actually picking up the food, but I just saw the view of this. That looks amazing. So they only have outdoor seating situation. Since it's raining, we're gonna take it to go find a place, sit and eat. So unfortunately, their license plate says live free or die, but most of the roads are controlled. Like you can't actually drive your car. Here we have food we just bought from the place.
Yep, some sandwiches from Butcher's Daughter.
Yeah.
So they're half deli, half like butcher, where you can pick up meat and cheeses and bread. And then the other side of the shop is actually like antiques and different things you can buy. So it's pretty cute. I didn't learn until we got there that there's no place to actually sit inside. Yeah. There is outside, but it's raining.
Yeah.
So Jude's trying the Sam, which is chicken, bacon, cheese, and some greens.
Comes with extra protein of mosquitoes.
Yes, mosquitoes. Oh, and it comes with little macaroni and some chips, which is cute.
I like this.
Yeah? Good.
It feels really good.
You make it fresh right there, which is awesome. It took a little bit to get these.
I feel it's fresh. Bacon is good. We were not able to find a place to sit and eat because all the environmental places or parks that we try to go to, or waterfalls are controlled. It's really bad. So it's been some time, at least more than an hour, that we're eating, so I don't feel the crunchiness of the bacon, but I'm pretty sure it was there. But the chicken, the sauce, the bread, everything feels good in me. What do you think?
That's great. Yeah, well, let me take a bite.
Yeah.
Again, this one's called the Sam. It has chicken and bacon.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it, yeah? Yeah.
I agree with the bacon. It'd be nice if it was crunchier, but...
Yeah. There's a chance it's not a crunchy bacon because it took us a long time to find a place and we were not able to find it, so we came back again to our cabin.
Yes. So next we're trying the Brat. And so all these sandwiches are like named after people, I guess, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But this actually came recommended. So it's cheese with an onion, fig jam, and bacon.
Cool.
And so this wasn't actually my original pick, but this is what they recommended. And I was like, sure, I'll try it.
Awesome. The jam kicks in. So 2 layers of cheese and the bacon. I don't know where they put the jam. It's really good.
This is really good. It's actually a panini.
Oh yeah.
It is sweet.
It is in the sweet side.
It's sweet, but the onion kind of calms it down with the cheese and bacon, but that was actually quite good. I'm glad he recommended that.
So the second you eat the bite, you feel the sweetness, and when you keep biting, you will feel that sweetness wash away with the cheese and all the other stuff they have it in it. It's pretty good, I like it. It's pretty nice. I can't really say if you guys are here, try it out. If you guys are here for some reason, you just go to this place, but if you want to come to this state, I don't know, it's so controlling and lots of junkies.
Yeah. We're in northern New Hampshire.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future we'll explore other parts, but just saying, it's an interesting experience so far.
All right, so this is Monday morning. It is sort of a holiday, and we are about to leave our cabin. There was not much to do in where?
We're in New Hampshire, but it rained on us.
Yeah.
It rained on us, so it's kind of a bummer.
Yeah. So there was heavy rain, so because of that we were not able to do what we were planning to do in this camping site. And also this campsite is not the best.
Yeah.
So now what we're gonna do is actually, this is sort of a space saver. So we're gonna vacuum our pillows and it's gonna look good. Let's see the magic happens. And this what happens, cut flat. Tip. Right, so it's so much of mosquitoes. By the way, here's our update. We just pack half of the car and we have a little bit of bags to pack. This is sort of a behind the scenes situation because we don't have much content to put on because this place is so small. Right?
I guess. Yeah.
Okay, so this is just a behind the scenes situation like I showed you before. We have a few more to pack and then we are gonna head out to Burlington, Vermont. Cool, so there are a lot of videos gonna come up. That's interesting, and this might be a little bit of a break. We have been traveling close to 20,000 miles so far, and it's pretty tired, but it's pretty interesting and fun. So let's get on packing. Sounds good? All right, you go first. This guy is very handy because it's an umbrella. In these areas, rain all the time. I'm that. I'm gonna do a fake help. Oh, can you hold this so I can tie this one? This is where our PGs goes. Looks beautiful outside. I'm gonna close the window. I'll open it. Hello, honey. That's the camping neighbors. And they have tons of puppies. Actually, quite a few of them.
Okay, here's the water. Just by the laundry.
Oh, inside the laundry?
Yeah.
Okay. Is any other bags? Sort of an air freshener, this helps to keep the car a little bit fresh new. Hi everyone, welcome to VentureVorld. Today we are here in
the Green Mountain State, Vermont. And today we're gonna be checking out Cold Hollow Cider Mill.
That's the apples.
Oh, it's the apples. All the juice out.
Goes down there.
Oh yeah, look at all the juicy.
What do they do for their leftover?
Granola bar. We just finished exploring the cold cider hollow mill, and they have lots of cute stuff, even like maple hot chocolate, honey, candles, you name it, it's in there. But what they're most known for is in my hand. They have cider donuts made this morning. Look how cute this is. It's fluffy, smells cidery. I've never had a cider donut, but you can tell, look, there's no maple, like it's just the bread, just the donut. My favorite kind of donuts are cake donuts. So not airy and fluffy, but like a cloud of bread, basically, is what I want. And this is really good. It's actually not sweet at all. It's very simple. I like it. It has a hint of like cinnamon, which is good. But no, this is delicious and delectable, and it's like less than $1 to get one. And it's very tempting to buy like a dozen, but I'm not going to. But I also got, of course, some cold cider. And it's just like so fresh and so good. Again, not too sugary, it just tastes like apple. And if you're randomly driving by on your way to Burlington, or if you're leaving Burlington, Vermont, you just gotta stop by here. Down the street is Ben & Jerry's factory. I love that they do timeline stuff here.
Yep. Do you know what's inside?
I don't know, but let's find out. Oh my God, smells delicious.
So good, right? Road trip.
How many pints tall are you? Oh. I am 15.5 pints tall.
What is the meaning of it? How many?
Pints is like what you can buy, the ice cream.
That is so cool.
I'm like 17, right?
Yeah. Anything specific you like, Andrea?
Anything I like?
That disappeared?
Of course, if you're gonna go to Ben & Jerry's factory, you gotta get your own ice cream. And so I did spend a solid maybe 3 minutes just trying to pick from all the flavors. And of course, I have my favorites, like the American Dream Cone. I also like the Tonight Dough, but they had new flavors on the menu. So of course, I mean, I'm on an adventure, gotta try something new. So this flavor, it's called Lights Caramel Action. So I guess it's like a film sort of style thing, but it's a vanilla ice cream with caramel swirls with graham cracker and chocolate chip cookie dough. So it just sounds like all my favorite things in one. And then I got a waffle cone. You can actually also get them dipped in chocolate, other things like that. But I'm just gonna go for it. Just like this, in a spoon. I really like this flavor, it's new, I hope it lasts a while. But I love it because the vanilla ice cream allows all the other like good toppings and add-ins like really shine and stand out. Because a lot of the flavors here, they'll be consistent, like a chocolate ice cream with a bunch of stuff on it, but then I feel like the toppings get hidden by the flavored ice cream. So that's why I went with this one, and it's so good. And you can actually like take your time. They'll ask you if you want to try any flavors beforehand. And let me just try a bite of this. Yep, nice and flat and fresh.
So we are here in a beautiful, privately owned, publicly non-profit educational, what is it called? Shelburne Farm.
Yes, we're at Shelburne Farm, and so they have beautiful nature
Yeah.
trails. They used to
Yeah.
have farm animals.
It's beautiful. Basically, if you're coming here, you're not allowed to drive. I know we have our car, but you're not allowed to drive. You're only allowed to
Park in the
walk.
front.
Park in the front and walk. But we got a day pass for us to do walking. So we got that pass and we drove, and it's so beautiful. There's a hotel here, so if you park there, that's
Yes, correct.
you can have the pass as well. So look at the view.
So beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful? And we are gonna sit here and enjoy some Vietnamese food. That's what we bought, Vietnamese food. First, what we have here today is what you see. This one is called,
It's beef over rice, but specifically satay beef.
we're gonna try this one out. It's still hot, and this place is really busy.
Oh yeah, it was popping in there. But they were so nice.
Yeah, everyone so far in Vermont has been so nice.
Yeah.
So welcoming. This is good and lovely. What do you think?
Some carrots. It is still very hot.
Yeah.
It's nice that it's in like a metal container here. Ooh, bell pepper.
I like it. I don't really taste any Vietnamese feeling, but the taste overall is pretty nice and I like it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste or feel Vietnamese, but it's still good.
Next, what we have here is
The very famous number 15. It's grilled pork with 2 fried egg rolls and vermicelli rice.
cool. Oh, so this is basically type of a noodles, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's rice noodles, and what
Yeah.
you're supposed to do is pour this little liquid all over the noodles.
Okay.
But I'm gonna try some of the fried rice here.
The-
Fried rice, excuse me, the fried egg roll.
Not good.
Yeah,
That's not good. So I'm gonna drop this.
on the rice. Oh, okay. So these noodles are made out of rice.
Cool. Pretty much every noodle is made out of rice, right?
You could do egg, you can do pasta, meat. That's all.
Because of the sauce, I can't really taste the truth of the noodles. But eating it with the meat,
That's good.
it's just good. I like it.
Okay. I'm gonna try with the meat just separately. You can actually pick between grilled pork or grilled chicken, but you know us, pork.
We're not the biggest fan
Oh.
of chicken.
Pretty good.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, I like that it's very charred.
Yeah. For some reason, the rolls are really bad.
Yeah, that was kind of sad. Usually my favorite part. Let me try some of the noodles. Yeah, pretty good.
Right?
I mean, not the best. It's clearly not the best Vietnamese food you've ever had.
Yeah.
I mean, we're in Vermont, but the meat's pretty good.
Were the people in there Vietnamese?
The cooks were.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the reason that I ask is like, especially when you're eating different countries' food, it's always good to have a chef from their country. Then it tastes what it should be tasting.